Resource quotas, limiting namespace resources. In Kubernetes, managing resources efficiently is crucial for maintaining cluster stability and ensuring fair resource distribution across different teams and applications. Resource quotas are Kubernetes objects that limit the aggregate resource consumption per namespace. They act as guardrails to prevent any single namespace from consuming too many cluster resources, ensuring that resources are distributed fairly across all namespaces. Resource quotas can limit three main categories of resources. First, compute resources like CPU and memory requests and limits. Second, storage resources including persistent volume claims and storage capacity. Third, object counts such as the number of pods, services, configmaps, and other Kubernetes resources that can be created in a namespace. A resource quota is defined using the standard Kubernetes manifest structure. It starts with API version v1 and kind resource quota. In the metadata section, you specify the name of the quota and the namespace where it will be applied. The spec section contains a hard field where you define all the resource limits. To limit CPU and memory, you specify 4 key values in the hard section. Requests.cpu defines the total CPU that can be requested across all pods, for example 10 cores. Requests.memory sets the total memory that can be requested, such as 20 gigabytes. Limits.cpu caps the maximum CPU that can be used, like 20 cores. Limits.memory restricts the maximum memory usage, for instance 40 gigabytes. Storage quotas control how much persistent storage a namespace can consume. The requests.storage field limits the total amount of storage that can be requested, such as 100 gigabytes. The persistent volume claims field restricts the number of persistent volume claim objects that can be created, for example, a maximum of 10 claims. You can also limit the number of Kubernetes objects in a namespace. For example, setting pods to 50 means a maximum of 50 pods can run in the namespace. Services can be limited to 10, restricting the number of service objects. Config maps and secrets can each be limited to 20, controlling how many configuration and secret objects can be created. Managing resource quotas involves 3 main commands. To create a quota, use kubectl apply-f quota.yaml. To view all quotas in a namespace, use kubectl get ResourceQuota-n followed by the namespace name like development. To see detailed information about a specific quota including current usage, use kubectl describe quota followed by the quota name and namespace.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.